Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into today's topic.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to jump right into the world of AI video creation. We'll be looking at a complete professional's guide to a platform that is really, truly changing the game, HeyGen. Okay, so let's just kick things off with a big question. What if you could create a constant stream of high-quality professional videos for your brand, for sales, for social media, without ever, and I mean ever, touching a camera, a mic, or a lighting kit again? That is the core promise we're exploring today. So what exactly is HeyGen? Well, think of it as an all-in-one platform that basically hands you the keys to an entire video production studio. You can create amazing videos using AI presenters and voices, and you can completely forget about needing a film crew or any complicated editing software. We're about to walk through a complete professional workflow from the very beginning to the final cut. First things first, every video needs a presenter, right? So let's look at how you create your on-screen presence, which is really the foundation of all your AI-generated content. So you've basically got two main paths to choose from here. Over on the left, you've got the digital twin, or what HeyGen calls an instant avatar. This is your go-to for a super realistic version of yourself. And then on the right, you've got the photo avatar. Now, this is a fantastic solution for when you just can't record a video, maybe for a busy executive or even a camera-shy team member. Creating that digital twin is just unbelievably fast. I mean, look at this. It's just 3 simple steps. You follow a little guided prompt on your webcam for only 15 seconds. The system captures everything, how you look, your voice, even your little mannerisms. And boom. In just a few minutes, your digital self is ready to start in literally countless videos. So what does this actually look like for someone? Let me give you a great real-world example. Take Teresa. She's a YouTube creator. She made her digital twin just one time. Then, in a single afternoon, she produced 5 different tutorial videos. All she had to do was pop in a new script. The avatar handled the entire performance. That means 0 reshoots. I mean, that is a huge leap in efficiency. But wait, the options don't stop there. You can actually generate a completely made-up avatar just from a text prompt, perfect if you have a brand that doesn't have a specific face. You can also animate a single photo and turn it into this really expressive talking video with hand gestures. And this is crucial. You can clone your own voice from just a 30-second audio sample. This makes sure your avatar doesn't just look like you, it sounds exactly like you. Okay, so your digital self is ready to go. Now for the really fun part, the heart of the workflow. This is where we turn your ideas into a finished video. And again, you've got 2 main workflows, and it all comes down to what you need, speed versus control. On the left, there's the video agent. Think of it as your personal AI director. You just give it one simple prompt, something like create a 60-second explainer on Salesforce, and it generates a whole video for you. Then on the right, you have AI Studio. That's your full-blown editing suite where you have precise, scene-by-scene control over every single element. And what's really cool is that you don't always have to start from scratch. HeyGen can breathe new life into content you already have. You can upload a PowerPoint deck and it'll turn each slide into a video scene. You can animate a static product photo for a social media ad. Or, and this is great for demos, you can use the screen recorder and it'll automatically clean up your audio and edit it all into neat little scenes. And of course, if you need to move at top speed, there's a whole library of hundreds of professional templates. Need a polished LinkedIn post or a quick product demo? Just grab a template, swap in your content, and you are good to go. So you've made one great video. Awesome. But now let's talk about scaling that up, turning it into an entire video campaign where you're scaling your content without scaling your effort. Okay, this is absolutely huge. With just a few clicks, you can translate any video you make into over 70 languages. And we're not just talking about subtitles here. This is full AI dubbing that keeps your original voice tone with lip sync that is perfectly matched to the new language. All of a sudden, one video can reach a truly global audience. You can also scale your personalization, which is a real game changer. By using these simple little placeholders in your script, like the one you see here for the first name, you can generate hundreds of unique videos. Just imagine being a potential client and getting a video message where the presenter addresses you by name. The impact of that is just massive. All right, we're at the final stage now, and honestly, this is where it gets really powerful. Let's talk about putting this whole process on autopilot. This is all done through integrations with tools like Zapier. This table just shows a few of the possibilities. For instance, when a new lead pops up in Salesforce, that can automatically trigger a personalized intro video, or a new user signs up and they instantly get an onboarding video. This transforms HeyGen from a tool you use into an automated video engine that's working for you 24/7. Okay, wow, we have covered a lot. So let's wrap this up with a quick little reference guide to this whole new workflow, kind of recapping the key tools that unlock this future of creation. This table right here is your cheat sheet. Your digital twin, that's for your personal brand videos. The video agent, that's for when you need a video super fast from a single prompt. Video translation takes you global. Personalized video scales your outreach. And Zapier, well, that puts the whole thing on autopilot. This is your new professional toolkit. And that brings us to our final thought. This kind of technology fundamentally changes the whole equation of creating content. It just removes all the friction between having an idea and having a finished video. So the real question isn't how to make videos anymore, it's when creation becomes instant, what will you build?
So what did you think about HeyGen? Guess what? I was made with HeyGen. That's right. Me talking right here, right now, was made with HeyGen. I used an image like we discussed in the video as my avatar. I write scripts I upload, and I have a voice recording saved in the HeyGen app. So all I have to do is tell it to use the avatar, the saved voice recording, and the script, and it makes the video. Amazing, right? Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. And if you're ready to get serious about making AI your coworker, not just your chatbot, you can get free prompts and a 30-day AI confidence checklist, no sign-up required, at everydayaimadesimple.ai. That's where I'm building tools, guides, and resources to help you confidently use AI in your everyday life and work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.